Hello, my name is Franklin Rondon. I'm a nurse practitioner. I have been in the medical field for about 6 years. I used to work in different hospitals, doing different things like med surg and endoscopy. One day, I found this ad that was amazing. It was about Empire Medical Training. It's for aesthetics. I wasn't sure what it was about, all the procedures are included, but something motivated me to sign up. I went online and saw these really nice discounts for memberships. So I got one of the memberships and it included multiple programs. Courses for neurotoxins, fillers, PRP, hair restoration, and I decided to go for it. I wanted a different field, something that was just completely different from the hospital, something more relaxed, something more convenient, something for a change. I wanted something that at the end was still rewarding for me, that I got satisfaction in what I did. I decided to take the courses. I was really nervous about it just because I was something about having needles on someone's face wasn't something that I really felt comfortable with. But once I attended the courses and saw the instructors and how supportive and helpful they were with every step all the way, it was amazing. I felt really comfortable afterwards and I had zero experience. After taking a few courses, I applied for a few jobs and finally I got one. And the only experience that I needed was the one that I got from Empire Medical Training. All my classes have been with Empire Medical Training. I haven't gone to anywhere else because I don't think I will get the help that I get with them. I have been with them for about 7 months. And in those 7 months, I have achieved so much that back, if I look at myself back then, I wouldn't think I would accomplish all of this. Now I do neurotoxins, I do fillers, I do PRP, I do Sculptra, and I work in a professional level with clients. And it's a big life change. And I love it. Empire Medical Training is always sending out emails, text messages about all these wonderful events they have. Today they had an event that I received through emails and a text message. I wasn't going to come just because I was busy with patients, but in a good way, one patient canceled and I decided just to give it another chance because I do love all the trainings and all the events they have. And today's been amazing. The people, the energy, all the procedures, everything they can show you, all these new updated, new techniques that you need, because this is a very advancing field, something that every day something new is coming out. And they are up to date with everything they do. And they always make you feel part of everything they do. And they make you feel knowledgeable. And they make you feel capable that wherever they do, you can do it too. And of course, I had to be here and I'm happy to be here with these wonderful people. I signed up for the Empire Medical Training membership. I have that Platinum and I think it's wonderful because it offers many different courses that when you add them together, the cost will be a lot more if they were to be paid individually. All of these courses, they have been very beneficial to me because they are the main courses that you need to be able to go out there in the field and provide the services that everyone is getting nowadays. You can do Botox, level 1, level 2, fillers, PRP, you can do IV hydration, you can do hair restoration, you can do Kybella, mesotherapy, all these wonderful courses, and just with the price of one membership. And they got these different courses throughout the whole country, so you can attend anywhere, when you want to. Hello, my name is Franklin Rondon. I'm a nurse practitioner, and I would love for you to join Empire Medical Training.